Kuringana na utongoria wa kanitha wa Methodist uria ukoretwo ari bishop munene wa kanitha uyu Rev Joseph Ntombura ariatirihe itina riake ria miaka 10 mwaka uyu. No riu Rev Ntombura ni atashukitie ikinya ria kwongerera itina riake na miaka ingi iri mugaru na watho wa kanitha uyu undu uria urarakite arumiriria ingi.
There has been a lot of effort to address the matters that were raised, but occasionally you would actually flash that information from the people who brought in the response.
As members of Nairobi Synod, we reject in totality the 2 years illegal extension of term of office by Joseph Ntombura. We don't recognize Ntombura as the presiding bishop of Methodist Church in Kenya. The extension is now and void.
Riu utongoria wa kanitha uyu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ukiuga nduratabura Rev Ntombura ta bishop munene makiuga ni mekwamura kamite ya mwanya iria gutongoria kanitha wa Methodist nginya riria megucagura muthikafu mweru thiko 90 ciukite.
We are saying it's illegal by the constitution of the church. Its term ended in August 2022 after serving 2 5-year terms. Just like we talk of other constitutions.
The office of the presiding bishop should be filled by an interim committee of agreed composition who should conduct fresh election of presiding bishop within 90 days from now.
Hamwe noguo no maheanite mukana wa gufuta wira atungatiri aria mekuonekana makigiritania na Rev Ntombura makiongerera ahujia kuma makanitha maria maranyita mbaru ikinya riri no maria mukagira mishara.
Posting of any new minister will be accepted in our circuits and churches, and that any minister who shall be seen to associate with Ntombura in any way shall be relieved from all duties with immediate effect. Stipends shall be paid to the ministers directly from the churches only to those ministers that are supporting our quest.
He wants to do a standing order document for the church secretly so that he can remain in office for life without being removed.
No maritie Rev Ntombura shokie mishara iria akoretwo akiamukira kuma riria itina riake riatinikire no ho mbeca iria akoretwo ikihuthika mashida-ini kuma riria itina riake riathirire.
If at the end of your term of office you refuse to retire or to vacate the office, there must be other reason for that. One of them could be there is a lot of things that you want to hide.
So if you want to know the definition of the word impunity, look at our former presiding bishop. We don't know. He is not a Christian. He does not behave like a Christian, and we do not know the power that controls him.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Litoria Kwani Mubi, Washage.